Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to hide friends list on Facebook. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and then click on these three little lines on the lower right corner of your screen and then scroll down until you see private settings and privacy. And then just go ahead and click on settings. And then here you want to search for how people find and contact you. So just go ahead and click that. And then here you want to click who can see your friends list. And now just want to click more and click or choose only me. And then that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.